Okay, day 2, I got back a message from leather surgeons, and yes, they can work on this bag. They think that they can get the corners cleaned up and definitely all this black stuff and color transfer back here. So this will be conditioned, well, cleaned, conditioned, and they're going to try to work on the chain. And then he said about the smell, once they're done cleaning it, it will help a lot, but he can't guarantee that the smell will be completely away. But getting this from eBay for the price that I got this for, and then sending it off to leather surgeons, I think that I can do something to this to get the smell out. I think it was my Chanel XL. I believe the big black one is the one that came very stinky. And I set a container of baking soda down inside of that and had it open for 4 weeks, and it absorbed most of the scent. And actually that one doesn't smell now at all. So yeah, baking soda does absorb smells. So they're going to fix these 2 transfer spots right here. There's something on here. Actually, that might even be just dirt once they clean it. This little spot here that's pulled forward, that'll probably still stay there. But definitely all of this dirt will be taken care of. It's very worn on the edges here and the back corner. So this has been rubbed on whoever was wearing this, probably crossbody. But you know, this bag is a series 2, and a series 2 means this is from 1991 through 1994. So it's not a new bag. I mean, this has been used for 30 years. It's a very old bag. So I'm going to send this off, get this packaged up, sent to leather surgeons, and let's do a video as soon as it comes back. I'll compare some of the colors and the pictures that I took, and what it looks like when it comes back. To be continued.